Hello, my name is Dale Richards. I'm a Vistage speaker. I've had the privilege of being here in Knoxville today with Kurt Green and his group. Vistage is the most important decision a business person can make in their life to improve them personally as well as in their business. I've had the privilege of meeting with over 400 Vistage groups. I love Vistage and the model. Today, Doug Soltis had the opportunity to listen.
It was a great 2.5 hours. We learned so much from Dale that my business will change overnight and forever. The sheer volume of information that this man can bring to your team will be absolutely astounding to you and everybody around you if you do what he says. Listen
Doug,
up.
what's the name of your company and
DasPac.
what do you do?
DasPac, we're in the packaging business. We do industrial packaging, robots, automation, and materials.
And are you in Knoxville?
Yes, sir.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank
it's been
you.
a pleasure being with you.
My pleasure.
Thank you, sir.